Tired of constant pump clogs, breakdowns, and lost productivity? Most pumps fail in extreme slurries, choking, stalling, and slowing down your operation. Introducing the Eddy Pump Submersible Slurry Pump, the industry's most powerful, clog-free solution, designed for extreme conditions, high solids, and minimal maintenance. Discover the features that set these submersible pumps apart from the rest. Our pumps feature a patented non-clog design, effortlessly moving even the toughest slurries. It can handle slurries with up to 70% solids, delivering unrivaled performance in demanding conditions. With no critical tolerances and a rugged build, Eddy Pump require minimal maintenance and experience fewer breakdowns. We maximize productivity with more uptime, keeping your operations running smoothly and boosting your profits. Trusted by industry leaders in mining, dredging, and oil and gas, because failure is not an option. Stop wasting time with inefficient pumps. Upgrade to the industry's most powerful slurry pump. Call now or visit eddypump.com for a custom quote.
At Eddy Pump, we pump solids, not water.
Request a quote today.